I've got it all to do now. After my cramped, cold sleep in the car, I'd lost the lead and had to build it up all over again. Pedal to the metal! That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bridge.
Scrambled eggs with smoked salmon? That's a bit poncy. Toast with fried eggs, bacon and onion. Just tea.
Hammond.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
Fine. I mean, slight hangover, but, you know.
How are you?
I've had a sleep, well, when I say asleep, sitting up in the freezing cold with a head full of stimulants.
Well, we're not far from docking.
Where are you?
I am south of Gothenburg.
Well, good luck. Keep going, and we'll see you there.
Just please try not to beat me, because I couldn't bear it.
Okay, bye.
If I lose this, I'll be suicidal. The map shows the scale of my problem, however. They were docking in Norway and I still had 350 miles of Sweden to cover. It all depended on how they were going to get from Kristiansand to Oslo.
It's 9 o'clock local time. Jeremy is going very quick. But we have a plan. You're going to like this. This is going to be good. Time to unleash our secret weapon.
Hey!
What we have here is essentially a racing powerboat with two 370 horsepower engines. That adds up to more than Jeremy's got. This is our secret weapon. He's in so much trouble.
Oh, Hammond! I think I might have Norwegian wood.
Hey!
We only had a short hop up a fjord ahead of us. Victory, it seemed certain, was ours.
How do I sum up this car? Cruise control, electric seats, air conditioning, CD auto changer, and it does 208 miles an hour, and it hasn't put a foot wrong, hasn't missed a beat. Any other supercar, there's always a sense, every 5 seconds, it's going to break down. What was that noise? What was that? What's that judder? This, though, just pounds on.
Watson, it's May. Where are you?
I'm in the pouring rain, somewhere in Sweden, I don't know. Where are you?
We've just taken a small local boat up from Kristiansand to Oslo.
What is it?
It's got several hundred horsepower, I think.
I think it's what you call a big power boat.
I'm doomed.
Oh,
Is he dead?
We have now done 30 nautical miles, and there's 120 to go. And they've just told us it might get rough. If this looks fun, it isn't.
Nevertheless, they were in an 80-mile-an-hour boat with no speed limits to worry about, while I was in a 200-mile-an-hour car and could only drive at 60-ish.
ooh!
To win this race, I was going to need a miracle, and that's exactly what I got.
Oh God, look at it. Oh, I can't believe this.
Shall I admit to him that we've got engine trouble?
I think we have to change the bolts.
We've got a what? We've got to go in that boat.
That's the boys. Hello.
Hello!
Hello, how's things?
Well, we broke one boat, Calamity, but we're not giving up. We're going in the chase boat. We've all squashed into it. It's damn near as fast as the big one.
Whoa. What do you mean you've lost a boat?
We've broken it. The engine's blew up and it's sinking. I'm not going to talk to you for much longer because this thing is small and very, very loud.
Oh dear, what a shame.
We're going to carry on. We'll see you in Oslo. Bye.
What a rotten bit of luck.
This is actually less comfortable than the other boat, amazingly. God.
Come on. Get the window down in here because I love to hear the noise. Their breakdown and the rough sea had allowed me to catch up. It looked like we were heading for a classic Top Gear photo finish. But then I hit the Norwegian border. I've been expecting this. Single track road all the way, pretty much, to Oslo.
Now turn right.
Stupid. Still, they were having problems too.
Oh dear. Mr. Hammond is unwell.
Hello.
Clarkson, it's May.
May, how's things?
Not good, I'm afraid.
We're in the middle of the sea. It's very rough. The driver's been sick. I think Hammond's dead.
Oh, that's a rotten bit of luck.
It is.
We're freezing to death. Oh, Hammond's come round. Hello. He's all right. He's better.
Well, thanks for the call on the update. I wish you all the best of luck.
Oh, well, we'll stick at it then. We're going to have to go and refuel because the sea's so rough that the engine's using more fuel than it would normally.
All right, take care.
Okay, stick at it.
It's very cold, but we're
Good
still
luck.
in it. Still in the
Bye.
race.
I didn't know where we were, but we did know Jeremy was only 50 miles from the finishing post in Oslo.
Got to beat those boys. I have got to beat them somehow.
Knowing he'd be determined, we gave the boat everything, thinking that lightning couldn't strike twice. But of course, it did.
Bugger!
Our rib had burst. We had to get to dry land fast.
Floor temperature's dropping, hypothermia is setting in. Boat's broken at the front, engine's knackered, we're running out of fuel. The sea's too rough, it's freezing cold, the weather's coming in.
Should we just jump overboard and end it quickly?
Bloody tempting, man.
Centrum, yes. Centrum must mean centre.
Oh my God.
We arrived in a town, didn't know which one, knowing that we'd have to get a bus.
Yes.
And some money.
Let me have a go.
No, I'm going to do it. We've been through a lot together today. Should we not fall out now?
Okay.
Look for the large sculpture of a hand pointing. Oh, there's no hand doing anything! They'll be here! What hand? Come on! Where are they? Where are they? They weren't there. They weren't even close.
Jeremy, how are you? Where are you?
I'm well, but well, yeah, let's cut to the chase. I'm here and have been for some time.
Oh, right.
So I'm afraid the race is done, but I gather that you've got some serious problems.
Yeah, we've broken 2 boats. The rib burst when we hit a particularly big wave. So we're now wandering around. I have no idea where, looking for a bus, I suppose.
How far away are you, do you think, from Oslo?
To be honest, I don't really know.
Well, listen, honestly, I shall be thinking of you, and take care.
Okay, thank you, we will.
See you later.
Bye. He's there, mate.
What's the Norwegian for "oh cock"?
I thought I'd had a bad day, but oh no!
What the hell do we do now?
Get a taxi.
Not allowed.
So I don't need to run though, do I?
No, I guess not. There's not much point.